Dude, here we go. We're about to go to the water.
Nah, we're gonna explode.
Here's Wisconsin. Whoa. Whoa. Oh no.
Yo, dude, what? We're attached. We're still attached to Alaska.
Yeah, because of me. Dude, thanks, Wisconsin.
Hey guys, we're gonna go this way. This is where we're gonna blow.
Aloha's! Hawaii! I'm gonna go inside Alaska.
Yahoo! I'm gonna go to Alaska too.
Yo, I can't hold on much longer. Guys, I am sorry. Yo, dude, what do you mean? This is Illinois. Okay, I got a grip again. Oh, dude. Whoa.
Yeah, let's go. We're gonna explode.
Go, Michigan. Oh, I'm free. Aha, Kansas is free. Kansas is free. Oh, what do you mean? It's not salt at all. Oh, no, not the water!
There's Utah! I'm gonna go on top of Alaska here.
Yeah! Whoa, where are we going?
Hey, the water's freezing!
Dude, the people in the northern part of my state is just getting freezing cold.
I don't like this. I don't like being on top.
Delaware.
Delaware. Oh, I didn't know I could do so much damage.
Yeah, dude. Now that's a lot of damage.
Yeah! I put in the foam. We're gonna blow up. Texas, you coming?
Yahoo! I want to explode too. Hey, it's Louisiana. Whoa! Whoa!
Ah!
Oh no! I could grip on. Bye, Utah. Yo, Adrian, where we going?